just short vlog about my new selfie stick. We do kind of unboxing. It's not proper unboxing because I opened the stuff already and I enjoy from last 2 days mostly to see how it's working, because I'm one of the person who never check the manuals and try everything, I'm pressing everything what is possible just to see how something's working for me. And today I show you my new super extra selfie stick, DJI OM4. I decided to have this super ultra selfie stick because I have a lot of selfie sticks and they are not really give me full satisfaction with this what I want to have. And also this is like super ultra stabilizer as well. That means whatever you do, you're walking, you're jumping, you still have a very smooth smooth picture, and this is super important for me. I bought this like few days ago, was a big sale. I'm not sure about the prices, and you are from different country, why I just skip it. It's around 250 euro, but it's sale now, and with the pounds it's 199, depends on the place where you're living. That's the box. Looks beautiful. Like my first impression when I saw the box, I was thinking, whoa, like Apple, everything from Apple. Beautiful white box, very classy. Look already so good, that's the good thing, that's the good purchase for you. When you're opening, it's even nicer, even better. You have a beautiful box. The first part, sorry, I'm not sure you can see me properly. I see myself in the new GoPro, what is actually cool, but before, when I didn't have a screen in the front, I never focused on it and everything was fine. Okay, first part is just all your manuals, and you have some extra bag for the Osmo, and you have a screen protector, and you have a clip. I have this clip already on my phone. It's here because my phone cover is kind of big, and this regular ring what it's included, it's too small for me. Why the clip actually work really well, and the all manuals, everything you have here. And we opening, and inside we have the one and only DJI. Sorry, I just try to open this gently. DJI, I put already straps because was included and I love it. That's the DJI. That's stand. What it's very easy to just put everything together and work super well. Also, we have a clip for the phones, any phones. I think GoPro will be easy with that as well, but for my phone actually it's much my phone is much bigger than this one. And we have some gum protector between the clip and your phone, just to make sure you not damage your phone. And we have a beautiful Osmo, very easy to use. You have a clip, and this clip go with this magnet thing what we putting to our phone or any other device, and we just putting everything together. It's very easy because you see how to put it. You just need to put the same, and actually that's it. What we're gonna do, we have a bottom power, we just pressing, and actually that's it, everything is done. We just need to connect our DJI app from our phone to the stick to make like fully smooth, and whole the operation what we have by stick can be made on the phone. You can change between photos and the videos. You can move the stick left, right. It's kind of joystick. That's your zoom option and calibration. Super easy. Looks beautiful as well. I really like it and I really enjoy it, and that's actually perfect selfie stick. Pity it's so short, but definitely you can have something to extend it, and after you can have this as a very long stick. I will show you right now. I was in power squad before to do some shots how smooth everything looks like. I'm quite surprised. Look like really like from the movie. And I'm really happy with that. Now it's rain, and I just back to the car just to do do short unboxing for you. But this is something what I highly recommend, what was recommended for me by my friends vlogger. They love it, they're using. My friend from Malaga, from the channel Joanna IR, she have a dark one, and the name of the tripod is Stefan, and she always says Stefan is the best ever. And I decided to have my as a Stefano because I don't want to use the same name, because looks like I have no imagination to find other name. That means this is Stefano, my new super extra amazing selfie stick for the phone. I love it and I highly recommend. This what I try already, like you can see all the time on the small window on the right hand side. You can see already how everything looks so smooth and works so easy. And actually you don't need to do much, it's just work themselves with the position what is satisfaction for you. And you know, it's like very smooth, absolutely amazing and stunning. And that's your joystick, just to go left, right, up, down. Super easy. The app have some extra stuff for editing, what is very helpful as well, and you can actually enjoy from the first moment. Absolutely stunning stuff. I will not talk about the details and technical things. Like, I charge selfie stick around hour, and I have a third or fourth day and work very well, and still show me like 4 dots. That means battery is full. I think battery have a long life, and everybody says about it, like battery of the selfie stick have a long life, what is very important. But you just charging by USB, just here, and that's it. Very easy, very fast. And yeah, that's my super new toy. I love it. Thank you very much for watching me. If I inspire you to buy DJI selfie stick, let me know. I'm just curious if you like this so much like I do. And see you very shortly in another vlog.